Most machine learning algorithms are completely incapable of processing plain text. If you feed raw human language into a computer, it rejects it. Machines only understand mathematics. To get a computer to process a sentence, every single word has to be translated into a numerical format. This requires taking a single word, like apple, and converting it into a multi-dimensional array of numbers, known as a vector. Think of this list of numbers as a highly specific mathematical signature. It gives the word a precise identity that the machine can read. But an isolated list of numbers doesn't teach a computer what an apple actually is. To move from raw data to actual comprehension, the machine has to use those numbers to build a map. Assigned vectors act as spatial coordinates within a three-dimensional vector space. Here, physical distance dictates definition. Words with similar meanings generate similar numerical signatures, pulling them into tight clusters. Conversely, contrasting definitions, like happy and sad, push in opposite directions across the grid. By arranging vocabulary this way, word embeddings create a geographic map of language. A computer can determine what a word means simply by measuring how far it sets from other words. Early methods for plotting these maps relied entirely on frequency. Algorithms would guess a word's importance by counting how many times it appeared in a document. In 2013, a model called Word2Vec changed the process. Instead of just counting, it learned definitions by analyzing a word's immediate neighbors. A digital context window slides across a sentence, isolating a target word alongside its immediate neighbors. By observing these patterns across millions of sentences, the model learns dog and bark frequently travel together, bringing them physically closer in the vector space. This process successfully generated a massive, highly structured map of human vocabulary. Yet, it carried a severe limitation when faced with the ambiguity of actual human conversation. The architecture breaks down when encountering polysemy, a single word that holds two entirely different meanings. Take the word bank. In one sentence, it refers to a financial institution where you deposit money. In another, it describes the muddy edge of a river. Because traditional models assign one permanent coordinate to each word, bank gets trapped. The algorithm tries to balance the two definitions, creating a static, immovable point that doesn't accurately represent either concept. A rigidly fixed mathematical map is ultimately blind to context. To fix the ambiguity problem, researchers developed contextual embeddings. In this modern model, a word's position is no longer fixed. Its exact coordinate dynamically shifts depending on the specific sentence surrounding it. This fluidity is driven by transformer models. By analyzing every word in a sentence simultaneously, transformers process the entire phrase to lock in the correct meaning before assigning a location. This context-aware mapping is the invisible engine powering natural language processing today, driving advanced machine translation, complex search queries, and spam detection. By converting letters into dynamic mathematical coordinates, computers translate the chaos of human speech into precise, measurable geometry.